Okay, so today we're going to take some of these habanero peppers that I picked from the planters out front and turn them into hot sauce. So I'm going to start by toasting 5 cloves of garlic in a pan on high heat. Then I'm going to take a half a cup of chopped carrot and put them in a saucepan under high heat till they just, with a little bit of water to get them to start softening. Okay, so that's going to cook for a little bit, and then when that's ready, we'll start throwing things together and get this hot sauce coming together. Okay, so while that's cooking, I'm going to pull the stems off of these habaneros. And I just have this little corer, and I just dig right in and pull that out. Now, if you're worried about getting the juice of these hot peppers on your hands, by all means wear gloves. If you don't wear gloves, be careful about rubbing your eyes and all that after you do this.
Or what else?
Or any sensitive parts of your body.
The weeder? I'd be worried about that, but anyway, go ahead.
So I got a dozen of these habanero peppers. Just pull the stems off, set them aside until the carrots and the garlic's ready, and then we'll put it all together. Okay, these garlic cloves are getting a little brown on them. That's what you want. Just toss the pan around, get them browned on all sides.
That's dry pan, correct?
It's a dry pan, no oil. And so then after they're nice and toasty, the peels will come right off like that one did. And then they're ready to throw into the blender when we're ready to make our sauce.
So to get a little more tender, or we just...
Get a little more toast on them, a little
Okay.
more tender.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And over here you got your...
And over here I got my carrots, and with just a little bit of water to coat the bottom, and I just boil that until the water boils away, and then the carrots are tenderized a little bit.
How much water was in there?
Probably 1/4 cup, just enough to cover the bottom of the pan.
Okay.
Alright, the water is all boiled away. Now I'm going to add a cup of apple cider vinegar. And a half a cup of chopped onion.
That I chopped.
That Corey chopped. And the 12-stemmed habanero. Now you put this on, say, medium, and simmer for 20 minutes with the cover on. Covered, please. If you're like me, this concoction is going to release some fumes that you're not going to want to breathe. So keep it covered while it's simmering and until it cools, if you ask me. Alright, the garlic's all nice and toasty. I'm going to just pull the peels off. And come right off. Garlic is tender. And just kind of chop it just a little bit. It's going in the blender. I'm just kind of helping it get started. So just kind of chop each clove in half or a quarter or whatever. And I'll set this aside and be ready to go into the mix.
Go.
Alright, so it's been simmering 20 minutes or so, and I'm just going to poke it a little bit see if everything's tender. And it is tender enough. So I'm gonna let this cool for a little bit before I throw it in the blender with some salt and sugar. Alright, the peppers are cooled, and now it's time to get it all blended up. So I'm going to take the toasted garlic and put it in the blender, and a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt.
Yummy.
And our pepper mixture. Oh, there goes some carrots. Soldier overboard.
There goes your hands. You touched the hotness.
Oh no. Okay. Now, the fumes will get you, I'm telling you.
You gotta turn on the fan first, on high. That'll help. It's just gonna get bad.
Alright. Now you
Whoa. Okay, here. There we go. Alright.
Alright. Now, blend until smooth. Add some water if you want it more liquidy. And just gradually crank it up. Alright, let me check the consistency. That's a little thick. I think I should maybe add a little water.
Okay. Well, that's good.
That looks pretty good. Alright, now pour it into a bottle.
Feed it to your neighbor.
What's that?
Then feed it to your neighbor. It's getting you good, isn't it?
Yeah, all those fumes are in the air. Alright, almost fills up a whole squeeze ball here. Now you have some hot sauce that you can put a few drops on your food here and there.
Are you gonna taste test the beast here?
Sure thing. One drop on a chip will do you. Unless you're in the Hall of Flame.
Which Sobel is not.
And can handle more than that, but for someone like me, that's plenty.
Alright, let's see.
Delish. Habanero hot sauce.
Pretty planters. What are those anyway? Oh, that's coleus.
Yeah, coleus and impatiens.
These are impatiens?
Yeah,
Alright, what's this?
those are more coleus.
Yeah, great. Happy birthday. Did you ring the doorbell?
Yes, I rang the doorbell.
Maybe they're not there.
It's possible. We might have done somewhere into his car. There's a dog.
Oh, Jesus. Well, hello. That's Boswell. Oh, there's Britt.
Hi.
Oh,
I got some hot sauce for you to try.
oh, come on in.
Here we go.
Come on in.
Neighbor Britt's on the hot sauce trail here.
And this is perfect because I'm just doing a pork on the grill. Yeah,
We didn't bring you nothing to eat with us, so you're gonna have to.
that I will eat with it.
That looks delicious. What's got going on there?
Well, pork loin and wrapped in bacon.
Ooh, even. Yeah, that looks good.
Okay, Corey, you gotta watch him.
All right.
Oh yeah.
This guy can handle some heat. Right out of the spoon.
Well, that's good.
You see, he even licks it. Can
That's
handle
gonna
some
go perfectly.
crazy heat. Yeah, that'll be really good on this.
Yep. Is this mine?
That's yours. That whole bottle is yours. Whole bottle of that
Oh yeah, baby.
habanero.
With extra bacon.
You have to submit it, Leon's the way it looks here.
Obviously been a Leon.
Yep.
Yep.
That's gonna be good. You can roast that, just roast it in foil, or what do you do?
Yeah, I'm gonna wrap it in foil and throw it in the grill
Nice. It'll be good.
with corn on the cob.
Oh yeah. Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
The real deal.
You know it.